Hey besties, welcome back to the space. So the other day I did a soap rebadge and I changed the color from blue to brown and I did the color myself. Yes, it's difficult for you to see brown color in the market. Like brown color to make soap is very difficult. I've never seen it before. So we go ahead and we improvise. So I got this question from a subscriber asking me how I did the brown color. I just couldn't just answer her down there with the long write up. So I decided to make a video for her. I hope she watches the video. I hope she's satisfied with her own outcome if she goes ahead to do it. I hope every other person is going to learn from this. So as you can see, it's self-explanatory. Just get your sugar in a pot, put it on low heat, stir until it is dark, as in black, and then you go ahead and add your water. The water that you're going to be adding is not cold water. Note, you're going to be adding boiled water, as in your water should be boiled, piping hot. That's what you're going to add into your sugar syrup or your sugar solution so that it doesn't clump up on you, because if you add cold water it's just going to go hard and rock solid. But if you add hot water, you get that desired liquidy consistency you want, like the normal color you take and dissolve. Yes, that's what you're going to get. Do not add a lot of water. As you can see, look at that beautiful brown color. When you go ahead and add this to your soap, it's going to give you that beautiful brown color that you want. Trust me, I did mine. I added it into my rebadge soap. I had blue color, I had off-white, but it still came out so beautiful. Just imagine if I was making that soap from scratch and my soap was already white and then I add this color. It would have been awesome. Anyways guys, that's it for this video. Thank you all for watching. I hope you subscribe. Please give this video a thumbs up, share, like, comment. Yeah, and I'll see you on the next one. That is our color. DIYs are so nice. Anyways, thank you. Bye.